Friends, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. As a routine, I always start my videos with my hero introduction. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Menon Hospitality Private Limited. Since we are doing this series of starting a restaurant, in today's video or in this video, I'm going to talk about how do you give a platform to your business, because whenever you start any venture, here we are talking about a restaurant, you will need to have your business organization. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so that you keep getting the notifications. I have already loaded more than 200 plus videos on my YouTube channel on hotels and restaurants. Taking the topic forward, choosing your business organizations, we have three choices. The first and foremost choice, you can get into a proprietorship format. Second, you can enter into a partnership format if you have some associates joining you or some kind of investors who are willing to invest in your business, or some kind of technical team or technical people who want to get associated with you. So there is an option open where you can get with a finance, in the partnership format. Third is the private limited company. It can be in a form of limited liability company. It is called LLP, or you can get into a proper private limited company which comprises of directors. Friends, until and unless you have a right organization, things will not work, because the moment you get into any business, you will have to give a right name which is acceptable in the portal at the ROC, or if you are getting into any kind of food brand or if you want to get your brand in the market, then you will have to ensure that brand is trademarked. It is advisable that you do a trademark of your own brand. It is not necessary that your brand name should be your company name. You can have XYZ brand and ABC company. It is not necessary. It is on you how you want to take the things forward. Most of them get into the numerological thing. Lot of spiritual thoughts are put into the picture. So it is on every individual how to take the things forward. In this process, you will require professional help from various experts. First and foremost, the moment you incorporate your company, you need to have your PAN card in place, your GST number in place, your bank accounts in place. These are the primary requirement. If you are into the food business now, the FSSI license is very, very important. Yes, now when it comes to the accounting part, you need to have someone who will keep your accounts, because the taxation plays the major role. The moment you take anything in white, it is taxable. Most of the nowadays, since Modi ji has made the India digital, so the UPI formats have come into picture, the Google Pays and Phone Pays and Paytms and things like that. So everything is accounted for. You need to have lawyers to get your agreements done. You need to have typical hotel consultant or kitchen consultant wherein they help you in planning your front of the house, the layout of your restaurant, the kitchen area, which is very, very important. Your kitchen design is completely depending on your menu, which is decided, which I have taken in my last video. Your inventory controls, your business organization setup and marketing. So there are a lot of things which are required to get your things into place. So this comprises of your working on your business model, which will give you the right this thing. Now when it comes to getting into the business,